This is Wallet Brief, where we break down what actually moved the US economy this week, without the noise. If prices, interest rates, jobs, housing, or taxes are quietly changing your money, this is where you stay informed. Let's get into what really happened this week, and what it means for your wallet. Over the past several months, gas and food prices have remained key drivers of household expenses across the United States. While inflation overall has shown signs of easing, everyday costs like fuel and groceries continue to fluctuate based on supply conditions, seasonal demand, and global energy trends. In the weeks leading up to this one, gas prices had been relatively stable in many regions, following earlier volatility. Food prices, on the other hand, showed a mixed pattern, with some categories stabilizing while others, particularly fresh items, continued to see gradual increases. This week, new data and market observations point to a slight shift in both areas. Gas prices in several regions moved modestly higher, influenced by changes in crude oil markets and refinery activity. While the increase is not sharp, it reflects how sensitive fuel costs remain to global supply conditions. At the same time, grocery prices showed small but noticeable adjustments. Certain food categories, including fresh produce and dairy, experienced incremental price increases, while packaged and shelf-stable goods remained relatively steady. Looking at the overall trend, the signal is mixed but controlled. Gas prices are showing mild upward pressure, while food prices continue adjusting at a slower pace than earlier peaks. This suggests that while cost pressures are still present, they are not accelerating significantly. For households, these changes can directly impact weekly budgets. Even small increases in gas prices can add up for commuters and families who rely on driving. Similarly, gradual increases in grocery costs can affect monthly spending, especially for larger households. Many consumers are responding by adjusting shopping habits, choosing more budget-friendly options, buying in bulk, or timing purchases around discounts. These small adjustments can help offset rising everyday costs over time. As a broader cultural signal, even highly visible public figures are often associated with lifestyle cost awareness in media and advertising, reflecting how central everyday expenses have become in public attention. Looking ahead to next week, key signals to watch include updates in energy markets, regional fuel price reports, and seasonal food supply trends. These indicators will help determine whether current cost pressures continue or begin to ease further. For now, the overall picture suggests that everyday costs remain manageable but still require attention as households plan their budgets. That's your wallet brief for this week. These changes don't always make headlines, but they do change how much you pay, save, and earn. We'll be back next week with the updates that matter. Until then, stay informed, and protect your wallet.